following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, Eastern Monmouth, Southeastern Burlington, and Western Monmouth. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Tuesday. The coastal flood watch is no longer in effect. Location: coastal areas of New Jersey and Delaware. Coastal flooding. Minor flooding is anticipated around high tide this evening. Moderate coastal flooding is expected during the Tuesday morning high tide. Heavy rain and rough surf at the time of high tide will enhance to flooding problem. At Sandy Hook, New Jersey, high tide this evening will occur at 9:10 p.m. with a forecast tide level near 6.8 feet above mean low water. The high tide Tuesday morning will occur at 9:19 a.m. with a forecast tide level of 7.5 to 8.0 feet above mean low water. At Seaside Heights, New Jersey, high tide this evening will occur at 8:40 p.m. with a forecast tide level near 6.5 feet above mean low water. The high tide Tuesday morning will occur at 8:49 a.m. with a forecast tide level near 7.0 feet above mean low water. At Atlantic City, New Jersey, high tide this evening will occur at 8:46 p.m. with a forecast tide level near 6.2 feet above mean low water. The high tide Tuesday morning will occur at 8:57 a.m. with a forecast tide level of near 7.twL feet above mean low water. At Cape May, New Jersey oceanfront, high tide this evening will occur at 9:20 p.m. with a forecast tide level near 6.8 feet above mean low water. The high tide Tuesday morning will occur at 9:31 a.m. with a forecast tide level of 7.5 to 8.0 feet above mean low water. At Lewis, Delaware, high tide this evening will occur at 9:56 p.m. with a forecast tide level near 6.1 feet above mean low water. The high tide Tuesday morning will occur at 10:11 a.m. with a forecast tide level near 7.twL feet above mean low water. At Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, high tide this evening will occur at 8:54 p.m. with a forecast tide level near 6.4 feet above mean low water. The high tide Tuesday morning will occur at 9:21 a.m. with a forecast tide level near 7.1 feet above mean low water. High tide on the back bays along the Delaware and Raritan bays occurs later than the high tide on the ocean front. Impacts: expect roadways prone to minor tidal flooding to flood this evening. Expect road closures during the times of high tide Tuesday morning, when higher water levels are expected. In addition, wind-driven heavy rains and wave action will exacerbate the potential for beach erosion Tuesday. A coastal flood warning indicates that moderate or major tidal flooding is imminent or occurring. Be prepared for rising water levels and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think. You will be putting yourself in danger, and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. For a list of the impact of different tide heights in your county, please go to www.trh.noaa.gov/by/tides.html in lowercase.